Hi everyone and welcome back. Ever wanted to make a beautiful vintage looking book box that doubles as a storage box? In this video, I'll show you how to transform this basic corrugated board and a kitchen roll into this stunning, sturdy, secret book box. It's great for gifts, jewelries, or keeping your trinkets safe on a bookshelf. You can make a big one or a small one too. So let me know in the comments what size do you want to make. If you like this craft, please keep on watching. So let's get creative, shall we? To start, take 2 pieces of corrugated board and cut it into 20 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Be sure to use the side with the vertical lines running up and down. Then grab a kitchen roll, fold it in half, mark the center, and cut it. Grab half of the kitchen roll and cut it to the exact same length as the board. Now measure 12 centimeters across the 2 corrugated boards and mark it. Bend it following the line. Then make a series of half centimeter bends on this side till you reach the very end. This is to create a nice bend on the side of the cover. Do the same thing on the other board. Now apply glue on the bent side of the board. Leave 1 centimeter before attaching it to the kitchen roll. Follow the shape of the kitchen roll as you stick the board. Now attach the other board to complete the front and back cover. Make sure that the covers are securely attached. To style the book covers, cut 2 pieces of wrapping paper to 24.5 centimeters by 17 centimeters. For the spine, this is 8 centimeters by 24 centimeters. We can now start wrapping the cover. Now apply glue on the wrapping paper just as shown and stick it on the book cover. Now repeat the same step on the other side. Apply glue on the spine and stick the wrapping paper, following its curve and shape. Smooth out the paper to secure the sides and let the glue set. To make the box, grab a card paper. Measure and mark 4 centimeters from each edge of the paper. Then fold along the marked lines. Then cut along the pencil lines to create flaps. Add glue to the flaps, connect the sides to make the box. Now grab another A4 cardstock and place it horizontally. And make 3 pieces of 4 centimeter strips. Using a ruler, score or draw vertical lines to create full page texture. For the inner cover, Grab a piece of paper and cut 12 centimeters by 18 centimeters. Stick it on the left side of the cover. Now take the box and the 3 paper strips. Start by attaching the paper strip on the vertical side of the box. Before sticking the 2 other strips, insert the box into the book cover. Place the paper strip just as shown to measure and trace the curved edge. Make sure to cover the whole side. Take the other strip to get the exact length and shape. Test it out first and do some adjustments if needed before sticking the strip to the box. If everything is good, then we can proceed to sticking the strip to the box. Make sure that the sides are all aligned. Now add glue around the right side of the book cover and stick the box. Add glue on the curved ends of the spine to stick the side. Add glue to the side of the box to connect the cover and the box together. Gently push the box and the cover together until the glue sets. To add a magnet, cut a piece of paper and roll it with a pen. Grab a small magnet and place it on top of the roll. Add glue and roll it firmly. And add more glue to seal it and stick it to the side of the box. To attach the other magnet, stack them together first to ensure the correct magnetic poles align. Apply a bit of paint or use a pen, close the cover, gently push it to mark the area. Apply some glue on the marked area and stick the magnet. Finally, let the glue set before testing it out. And there you have it. Your very own DIY secret book box is ready. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next craft. Bye!